Ciao, welcome to Beatspot. I'm Marco, and in this video I want to show you how my MFreeFormPhase phase rotation presets work. So let's dive into it. Basically, this is the plugin and it's free by MeldaProduction, and these are the presets. Just this full spectrum phase rotation, and it's something that wasn't provided by Melda itself, and I couldn't find anything else like similar online, and so I just made it. And so here we have we have the same 100 hertz sine wave, but I just rotated it by 15 degrees each. So we have like minus 90, minus 105, minus 120, minus 125, and minus 150. So this is basically the difference between each sine wave. And as you can see, this is more accurate than just doing this kind of thing, which is flipping the phase, inverting the polarity, because this equals rotating the phase by 180 degrees. But let's say we have something like a 60-degree difference. If we use this method, then we will have a 120 degrees difference, and that's suboptimal. In fact, most of the time when you use this thing, it either improves it or kind of worsen it. But I mean, with these plugin and with these presets, we can just fine-tune and find the perfect phase relationship, or almost. We have something like a 7-8 degree maximum margin of destructive interference, and that's not going to destroy your mix. That's really negligible and imperceptible, and having like deeper control will only slow down your mixdown process. You can just do it by yourself, but rotating by 15 degrees is more than enough to just get an idea of how much you have to rotate the phase of either your bass, sub-bass, or kick drum in relation to any other of these elements. So they are locked together, they have a constructive interference, they are cancelling with each other, and you have a solid and robust low end. So last very precious tip for this kind of processing is that, let's say you have a bass, a sub-bass, and a kick. Then start with your kick and sub-bass, maybe by using the MFreeForm, all this stuff on one or the other. And once you get these two elements locked, you have to put the MFreeFormPhase on the other third element and rotate it, and kind of make it work with one or the other, and you will have all the three elements locked together, and no one will cancel with each other because they are all at kind of the same phase, they are working well together. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one, and you can find the presets in the description below.